Hi, and welcome back to the Mirka channel. I'm Jimmy, and today I will show you how to connect the DEXOS 1230M AFC to the myMirka app. Let's set it up. Step 1. Make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile device and that the DEXOS is powered on. To enable Bluetooth, press the Bluetooth button on the dust extractor and make sure it is flashing blue, indicating that the dust extractor is in pairing mode. Step 2. Open the myMirka app and navigate to the device pairing screen. Then tap Add Tool, Connect Tool, and locate your DEXOS with its serial number. You can match the serial number to the number on the unit itself, located on the marking plate. Step 3. Tap to pair. That's it. Once connected, you can get real-time usage insight. You can monitor power output, airflow, total runtime. You'll get alerted if the airflow is blocked or if there is a malfunction. You can review exactly what caused any shutdowns. Need customization? You got it. Adjust host diameter, set your preferred filter cleaning interval, manage Bluetooth mode, and set the tolerances for the auto start function for each socket, making it more sensitive to the connected power tool, or even less. The myMirka app will let you know if there is an update available, so you can keep your DEXOS up to date, improving performance and adding new features all the time. For added peace of mind, you can track your DEXOS location to the last place you used it. That way, you can see which site you left it at. In the app, you can also find compatible accessories and tools.